Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this very video I'm going to show you how to set up a YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up a YouTube channel. So there is a whole playlist, okay, but I'm going to break it down step by step. So in this particular video we are going to focus on creating a YouTube channel, choosing a name, and then how to customize it. All right, so without wasting much time, let's get started. All right, so what you need to do is to open your browser. Okay, you need to open your browser and make sure you have your Google account signed in on the browser you are using. Okay, it can be Chrome or any browser at all. Okay, so what you need to do next is you type in YouTube. Okay, youtube.com in your URL or your search bar. Okay, youtube.com. So once you search for the youtube.com, it will bring you to the YouTube dashboard. Okay, it will bring you to the YouTube dashboard just as you are seeing right now. Okay, so what you need to do next is to create a channel. So in the creation of the channel, you navigate to where the name is. Okay, to where the name is. In some cases it will create the account automatically for you since you already have the Google account. Okay, but in some cases also you need to tap on create a channel. Okay, yeah, so you're going for the create channel. If you see something like this, which is your name and then your email, it doesn't mean you have you have a channel yet. Okay, so what you need to do is to create a channel, and mind you can do this on your phone. Yes, I'm just doing this on the laptop because of one or two reasons. Yeah, you can just do it on your phone. Any device at all can do this process. Okay, so what you need to do now is to create an account. So you tap on create an account. Okay, then right here you are going to choose the name. Okay, yeah, so the name I'll choose now is YouTube for beginners. Okay, YouTube for beginners. Okay, so once I choose a name, okay, I don't know if I had a name right. Okay, let me just check. So beginner. Okay, so I think I had the name right. So YouTube for beginners, and my handle is YouTube for beginners. So when you input the name, it's going to give you your handle. Okay, automatically it's going to give you a handle. So this is where you are going to set up your profile picture. Okay, so once you type on select picture, it's going to give you some random pictures you'll be using. Okay, so if you have any picture on your PC, whether be your PC, your phone, you can just go ahead and use that one. So I think I have a couple of pictures here I want to try my hands on. All right, so let me choose this particular one. Okay, so it's uploading our picture now. Okay, so we check the resolution. So I think this is perfect. Then I'll tap on done. So it's preparing our profile. Okay, boom, we are in. So what we need to do now is to tap on the create channel over here. Just tap on it and you wait for it to load. Okay, so once it's loading, again, if today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe, like this video, and leave your comments in the comment section. Okay, so what you need to do now is we've successfully created our channel. Okay, so as you can see, today is 24th November 2025 as at the time I'm recording this particular video. Okay, so what you need to do is now to customize our channel. Okay, so we're going for the customization. So just wait for it to load. So it says welcome to YouTube Studio. Okay, just tap on continue and then do whatever you want to do. So right now I'm going to choose a banner image. So the banner image simply means the image that is going to show behind your profile picture. Okay, profile picture. So I'll just upload one image over here. Okay, so it says the image must be 1024 by 576. Okay, I guess I didn't get that correctly. Let me try using this one or even this and see whether it will work. Okay, so with this one we'll work on it later since I didn't prepare for it. Okay, I didn't prepare for it. So what you are going to do is, if in case you want to change your username, sorry, your name, the name is over here. In case you want to change it, you just change the name. Okay, and as well as your handle, if you want to change the handle, you just go ahead and change your handle. Okay, so right now the description, yes, the description is very, very important, what your channel is about. Okay, so in order to get a professional description for your channel, I'll recommend you can use any AI, or if you have any idea in mind, you can just go in and type it inside. Okay, but for this particular channel, let me just do it tech and finance. Okay, tech and finance. All right, so tech and finance. All right, okay, so what you need to do now is, in case you have an external link you want to add to it, maybe your website, your shop or something, you just enter it over here. Okay, but since you don't have any website or any external link yet, you just leave this place blank. Okay, and with your email, you have to use the email used for the account creation. Okay, so this is the email I use, 720@gmail.com. okay, yes, so that's it. Then after, I'll just tap on publish, meaning I'm saving whatever changes I did to it. Okay, so let's now view our channel. Okay, so as you can see, all the changes we applied to the channel is actually working. Yes, as you can see, we have our name here, YouTube for beginners. The description is tech and finance. Our email is also here, so in case someone wants a collabo, or someone wants to send us an email, we just go ahead and send it to this particular email. Okay, yes, and as you can see, the date to join YouTube is also here. Yes, so that's it. Okay, so let's go to our studio once again and check. I'm just taking you through how to set up a channel and all those stuff. Yeah, so as you can see, we have 0 subscribers over here. Yes, we have 0 subscribers over here. And also we have the creator insider. With this particular feature, YouTube uploads a video every time. Yes, YouTube uploads a video every time to guide new creators. Okay, I mean those who are new to YouTube, and also those who are already into YouTube. YouTube actually guides them, so they upload videos over there each and every time to guide them. Okay, yes, so yes, I think that's it for now. And with the content, if you start creating content, you see them under this content tab. Okay, so after creating a content, if you want to like track the contents down in terms of their performance, you just come to the analytics. Okay, with the community is where you are going to interact with your people. Okay, yes, and that's for it. With the inside, that's after monetization. Okay, so don't worry, I'll take you through all those steps. This for the monetization aspect. That's after monetization, you can do a whole lot of changes over there. Yes, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for your time. In my next video, I'll take you through how to upload a video on YouTube, and also I'll make sure I take you through how to create a thumbnail, how to edit your videos, how to get proper description, and then title for your videos. Yes, so make sure you watch this playlist to the end, and also don't forget to like, share, and then comment your thoughts in the description. All right. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.